I'm going to tell you about the 7 ways to make money online without being scammed. And we're going to start right now. What's up everybody? This is Rifat Abu Hassan from Life Solution Influencer. If this is the first time for you on my channel, we talk about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generate passive income so that you can have the lifestyle of your desire. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to get the updates of all the upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's dive in. Now, there are many ways to make money online, and working from home can be extremely rewarding. But we must understand that there is a big difference between a legitimate online job or an opportunity and the unsolicited offers that find their way into your inbox. It is estimated that for each one legitimate opportunity, there are roughly 60 scams. And the reason is that there is quite few people seems to believe that there is that magic package out there which allow them to make a lot of money on the internet with very little effort. And there is always a less than reputable website that is willing to sell it to them. This is why I put together a list of 7 real ways to make money online from home. These are all legitimate ways and methods which allow you to start getting paid for a wide range of activities with little or no investment on your part. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, getting an online job. If you want to earn income at home, then you may think of the most obvious solution is to get a work at home job. And that's totally right. But unfortunately, many internet scams specifically target people searching to work at home. And to avoid falling for any kind of schemes, the best thing you can do is to go directly to the source. Find forums or job boards that focuses on the kind of work you want to do. For example, there are many legitimate jobs in the customer service industry. You can get a job as a customer service representative and earn money by answering customers' questions and provide them with support. This type of work will require some brief training and the ability to pass a background check. But if you are a creative person, you can find work at home opportunities in almost any industry. If you have technical skills such as programming or graphic design, then the doors are really wide open for many opportunities. This is called freelancing, which I will talk about later in this video. If you have any sort of data entry related skills, there are many legitimate websites available to you, and I will leave links to some of them in the description below. Number 2, make money taking surveys. Surveys often get a bad reputation online because many people are confusing legitimate survey companies with other fraudulent online offers. The most important thing you need to look for in any online survey site is that it's associated with a real market research company. Now, how do you know these companies are real? Well, know that there are many false survey websites out there that attempt to charge money for survey opportunities. But participating in real market research should always cost you nothing. Also, many fraudulent websites claim extraordinary earnings from taking surveys, which is not how real survey companies operate. You should have reasonable expectation and understanding that you're not going to make a full-time income taking surveys. You need to bear in mind also that big name brands pays research companies to get their members to take various surveys. And oftentimes, they're looking for specific demographics, which means you may not qualify for it. So the best way around this is to be honest in your profile and sign up with several websites to increase your chances of qualifying. And to help you to get started the right way, check out a list of free online survey companies that I linked in the description below. Number 3, get paid by browsing the internet. Now, I know for a lot of you this might be ridiculous, but as easy as it sounds, you can get paid just by browsing the internet. How can that be? Well, let me explain. With more and more retails and advertising dollars being spent online, studying people's browsing habit has become a huge business. Insights into online behaviors are worth thousands, if not millions of dollars to large companies who do businesses online. This is why there has been a significant rise in research firms that study how and why people do certain things. And in order to get this information, they develop websites that reward people with gifts and prizes for contributing to their statistics. One of the most reputable companies offering this opportunity is a website called swagbucks.com, where you can earn money for doing things online, such as browsing, shopping, or even playing games. The advantage with Swagbucks is that any information they collect is anonymous and unidentifiable, so that your privacy is protected. Now, of course, this will not certainly replace your day job, but why not get a little something extra for doing many of the things that you're already doing anyway? Number 4, get paid taking stock photos. You can make money selling simple everyday photos, and you don't really have to be an artist or an expert photographer to make this work, because people need stock photos for their blogs, their presentations and websites and much more. And oftentimes it's the most basic things that they're looking for. So the way it works is that you upload your photo, and when someone make a purchase, you get paid a commission. It's as simple as that. I recommend some websites that you can use to get you started. The first one is called Fotolia.com. With this website, you can sell your photos or videos on various categories. But before uploading, you will need to name your picture and put your best description on what is it about, and also the keywords so people can find your photo. You can use image softwares like Adobe Photoshop or similar to do this. Similarly, you can use other big stock image platforms such as Shutterstock.com, Lamy.com, and iStockPhotos.com. These are all huge and easy to navigate websites to upload your photos. Now, obviously, you may not make a lot of money selling images, especially in the beginning, but if you are uploading images and videos on a consistent basis, you will start gaining some nice amount of money over time, especially if you have tons of photos stored on your hard drive waiting to be released. Number 5, get paid to write. One of the best ways to make money online is to do freelance writing, which means basically that people would hire you to write for them about a particular topic and get paid. This is perfect for you if you have some writing skills and don't want to deal with all the extra work that goes into running a blog. You can hire yourself out and write to newspapers, large online publications, and even other bloggers. The best way to do this is to become a member at some of the many freelance websites and forums specializing in this type of work. Not only you can find short-term work, but if you do well and impress your employer, a small gig, as these jobs are called, they are called gigs, can often turn into long-term or even permanent employment. And here are some websites that I recommend for that. The first one is called freelancer.com. This is a website where you can sign up to do freelance work for other people, and you can leverage your income at the same time, because businesses, entrepreneurs, and all sorts of people come here looking for someone who can do writing jobs for them. The second one is called Upwork.com, which is a great spot to start finding gigs similar to freelancer.com. And the third is Fiverr.com. So for all these sites, if you like writing and have the writing skills, this would be one of the easiest way to make money online and even replace your full-time job. Another thing to mention here is that these websites are not solely for writing, but also good for any sort of freelance work. If you have any sort of skills, if you have website design, logos, blogs, people will hire you to do works for them. Number 6, selling courses. This is one of the most powerful ways that you can do to make huge amount of money online. In fact, lots of people are selling courses to grow their business online and generate 6 and 7 figures. If you have any sort of skill set or know something that you can teach people, I highly recommend rearranging this information into an online course. Now I will share with you something that is more of a community based. It's called udemy.com, which is a site where people upload courses to the community. And this is powerful because you don't need to market your course as much, but obviously it will be more beneficial to you to promote your course on other platforms. But just having a good course and getting it ranked inside the Udemy platform can give your course more exposure. Another way to sell your course is to do self-hosting, meaning that you are responsible for getting people to find your course. Now, this can be a bit harder for people who don't have marketing experience. However, it is more powerful because you get paid a higher percentage of the sales on your course with lower fees. Now, I'm going to recommend a couple websites that will help you to get started to do this. The first one is called teachable.com. This is an amazing platform to sell your courses because first, they have nice user interface for the creator and for the student. You can upload your course and they host videos for you. Also, it is free to start, so I highly recommend using it. The second one is called thinkific.com. And this site is also similar to Teachable. In fact, both sites are competing against each other, but it's a great website to create and sell courses. So I highly recommend both of them. And finally, number 7, affiliate marketing. This is probably one of the most powerful ways to make money online because a brand new person can come online and start making money. And the reason for that is, unlike selling courses, you don't have to create your products. All you need to do is to connect people with product. And this is really powerful business model that you can use to leverage your income and start making money online. And that's how I personally made my first $6,000 online, not by selling any products that I created, but by promoting other people's products. So I talk to you from experience that this business model works. And if you get really good at it, it cannot just give you part-time income, but also a full-time income. Now, if you are interested in going deeper into all of these ways of making money online, including affiliate marketing, I'm going to give you guys my free ebook called The 7 Most Common Online Business Models. This book will give you a broader picture along with examples of the business models that you can choose from. So check the link for that free ebook in the description below. Also, if you want to play the long game and if you are serious on making a full-time income through the power of affiliate marketing, I will show you my #1 recommendation program that will teach you exactly how to build a long-term business with affiliate marketing. And I will leave that link in the description below. I hope you got a lot of value and ideas on how to make money online without being scammed. If you do, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. And also, I'm curious to know, out of these 7 ways that I mentioned, which one you think that best way that suits you and why. I would love to hear from you by leaving a comment in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.